Hello, third grade friends. How are you doing? I hope you're doing great. We're going to talk about cause and effect today. If you will get out page 116, please have that out in front of you and we'll work through it together, okay? So talking about cause and effect, take a look up here at the top. Put your finger on there and follow along with me. Cause and effect. A cause is why something happened. If you have a pencil, I would underline that. Why. A cause is why. Why something happened. An effect is something that happens. The effect is what did happen. Okay? So directions. Read the following passage. Then answer the questions below. All right, so let's read through it first. Again, we have another play, kind of like Pushing Up the Sky. Here we have the narrator. Moose and Weasel use language to talk to each other in the woods they share. Scene 1. Moose gets antlers. Moose. My antlers finally grew in. I love having huge antlers overhead. Weasel. They make you taller. I wish I had antlers too. Scene 2. Weasel gets antlers too. Weasel. I imagined antlers, and now I have them. They are so heavy on my head. Could that really happen? Moose. They are too big for you. I hope you don't poke anyone with them. Weasel. If I wish it, they will go away. Oh, definitely some fiction here. All right, so why are Moose and Weasel talking together in the woods? What were they talking about? Why are they talking in the woods? What do you think? Why something happened? This is the cause. Why are they talking together? Go back up here. What had happened? Moose gets antlers. Why are Moose and Weasel talking together in the woods? Well, Moose's antlers just grew in. Moose's antlers just grew in. That's why. So that's the cause. That's why they were talking. Now, what effect do the antlers have on Weasel? So because Moose got his antlers, now what? What does Weasel want? What do you think? They make you taller. I wish I had antlers too. So now, because Moose got antlers, Weasel wants them too. Have you ever had that happen where somebody got something and then you wanted it, or you got something and somebody else wanted it? Yeah, same thing. So Weasel wants to have antlers too. Okay, number 3. How did Weasel get antlers? What did he do? I imagined antlers and now I have them. So remember he said down here, if I wish it. So he wished for them and he got it. How did Weasel get antlers? He wished for them. What 2 problems do the antlers cause Weasel? So if you go back up here, he says, I imagined the antlers and now I have them. They are so heavy on my head. Moose says, they are too big for you. I hope you don't poke anyone with them. So what 2 problems? The antlers are heavy and too big. Make sure when you're writing sentences, you write capitals and periods. Okay, so let's look at this last part. Write a summary of the play. So we're going to sum up what it was about. Use the words because and so. How do the details help you find the cause and effect? So the summary would be, what do you think? Moose grew in his antlers, and because he got antlers, Weasel wanted antlers too. So let's write that down. So moose has antlers. So, there's that word so. So, weasel wants them too. Okay? If you want to pause and write that down, that'd be fine. Now, weasel gets the antlers. Why? Weasel gets the antlers because what did he do? He wished for them. All right, friends. Let's take a quick peek. Let's flip. If you need to pause and finish, that's fine. The other page, we are reviewing prefixes. Prefixes, a pre means it comes before the word. So we talked about these last week. We had un, like no or not. Re means again. Miss means like no or not, or was something was wrong. And dis is again kind of like no or not. Add the prefix un, re, miss, or dis to each base word. Write the new words on the line. So this one you just are writing the word unload. So you're just writing the words. Unload means not loaded. So you're going to go ahead and do that. Write the word from the box that best fits each definition. So to spell wrong. So which one of these is about spelling? Spell, and miss means wrong. Misspell. Make sure you spell it correctly. Misspell. Okay? So make sure you go do those. If you want to pause or go back, either is fine. Add the prefix un, re, miss, or dis to the word in parentheses to complete each sentence. Write the new word on the line. Last night I was able to see the stars. So that means he could see them. Which one of those could we put with there? Which one? Unable, which would make it not able. Okay? All right, friends. I hope you have a great day. Make sure you read a book today and maybe go outside and play for a little while. Okay? All right. Talk to you later.